Dare to Dream, I like to inspire and motivate adults to dream again. Because as we go through life and take on our different roles and responsibilities, we tend to put our dreams on the back burner. And my goal here at Dawn Dares to Dream is to help you pick those dreams back up and to pursue them again. Now, I want you to understand, I started Dawn Dares to Dream because I wanted to relay my message and my heart and my feelings across to whomever would listen. It can be difficult getting your closest family and friends to understand the way that you believe and when you try to express it and share it. So this was like my backdoor way into letting everybody know. Now, I may have lost some viewers as a result of that because they don't agree, and that's fine. I am definitely a proponent of everyone having their own thoughts, their own process, their own mindset that works for them. Your religion works for you, you keep that. No one's telling you to get rid of that. Whatever it is that works for you, continue to use it. I'm just saying that sprinkle some of this other information on it, this personal development information that I'm providing you, and see where your life takes you and how you take off personally. Always remember, we are in control of how we see our environment. I don't care what everyone says it looks like or everyone says it is. We are in control of how we choose to perceive the environment. Well, we're getting on the train. We're going to baggage claim. You see behind me, it says baggage claim. They have a train here in Orlando. MCO. So we're going to get on the train.
Oh, I forgot they had that.
Yeah, and go get our bags.
Because we were here before for Sal's birthday for Disney World. That's where we're going.
I feel like I've been here before. For something else.
Yeah, you've been here for something else too.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, we actually reserved the Disney Magical Express to get from the airport to the resort. And from my understanding, I think like next year you won't be able to do this complimentary. And I actually booked it late. Like, I didn't call them until yesterday, so they were really nice to be able to add me in, because I figured calling so late I might not be able to get on, but there was not an issue at all. So, but I don't think it's gonna be complimentary. Moving forward, I think like starting next year.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, like I told you, I'm so unprepared. So I didn't bring my magic bands from the last time. I thought I was purchasing one, but I have no idea. But to get on the bus, they was like, "You have a magic band?" And I'm like, "No." So I just used the app with my room confirmation number on it.
Hey,
So.
this is my Mickey Mouse. They didn't wear a mask. It's an adult mask. When I accidentally bought it, she didn't know it was gonna be adult.
So, so it's, you know, even though we don't do all that we're supposed to do, they still make it easy for us.
Yes.
So now we're just waiting to actually board the shuttle. We're inside. Okay, guys, we are getting on the bus. Yay! We're getting on the bus. You see the buses back there? They have all these buses. We're getting on the bus.
We're getting on the bus. We're going to Florida. I'm happy this is not a hill or a mountain. So I'm talking about walking on that and walk on flat. I'm used to flat, not hills and mountains. Same with my mom and Will.
Well, we're from Baltimore, so we are a little used to hills, right?
I'm not used to it. I was born in Houston.
Okay, we're on the bus. It's
Yes.
a rather nice bus. The seats are blue. You see the little blue seats?
Yeah.
And they have a sitting every other row. So they are still social distancing us. And I really, really like that.
Me too. I like it too. They force people to wear masks and social distancing. And everybody practice their social distancing always. And now
We got off the shuttle and we are about to head in to the lobby. And I believe I have to pay the last of my balance. And we'll head on to the room. And then we're going to eat. And then we're going to go to the water park. But it doesn't feel that warm out here. So we'll see how that works out. It really doesn't. This is it. Oh, Lord, thank you. I'm hungry. It's really pretty in here. It's not very Disney-fied at all. It's like the conference hotel, but I think that's what I like about it the most. didn't do it? Very pretty. I don't, very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, guys, we have finally made it to the room. You said, Robert, oh!
Grandma! I didn't know what you're doing. Grandma, which bed you're doing? The left one or the right one? Which one you're doing? The left one or the right one? Oh, she said on matter, but I already put my stuff on this. So
okay, so we made it. Of course, we don't really have a kiddie room. We're staying in the Coronado Suites. This is where they do a lot of the conventions. It's a very beautiful grounds. I will show you those as we walk out to find the bus because we are headed to the water park, baby!
Yeah, but
water park!
But we won't be able to wear no mask then.
Yeah, no mask. No, it is 12. It's, let me see. No, it's 11 here, so it's 10 our time. That's why I'm not hungry yet. Well, dreamers, we made the mad dash. We got back to the hotel room. We changed our clothes, and we are ready for Blizzard Beach. Yes. We are waiting on the bus. We only get about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours in there because then we have to go to Rainforest Cafe.
And then I can see, you can record the animals.
Yeah, and then you can get to see all inside of there. Not sure if you've eaten at Rainforest Cafe before, but they do have them outside of Disney. We have like 2.
There's one in our area and one in Disney Springs.
Yeah, but I mean 2 in Houston where we live.
Oh yeah, like one in Katy and one in Galveston.
Yeah, so we never go though, so that's why we're excited to go to
well, we could plan
the park.
going one day too, by home too.
Okay. See. I don't know how well you can see that.
That's where we're going to, the Blizzard Beach.
But you can see the Typhoon Lagoon is closed. Yeah. Dark, but we made it. Our bus came. I think we missed the first one, so this is probably the second one that's come for today. Yeah. So we're very excited that we're about to hit the Blizzard Beach.
You record me on the one so I'm not slide down.
I'll do my best.
Yeah, you do your best.
Do my best.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect.
Yeah, he wants me to record him on the slide, and so I told him I'd do my best.
But the only thing to be perfect that is survive.
Survival?
Yes. Survival. That's the only thing to be perfect. Other than that, you don't have to be perfect. Nothing else.
Perfect as survival, people. Perfect as survival.
You're opening the one time I love.
Well, guys, we have finally made it here to Blizzard Beach. They are actually doing temperature screenings.
Yeah.
So before we go in, we have to get our temperature. See, that's the station right there. We have to get our temperature screen. We're headed into the Blizzard Beach.
Yes, we are. I'm so excited.
You know I believe in hitting the ground running when I come on vacation. Okay, we gotta hit these things on the side here. Hi.
So everyone's gonna tap their card against Mickey.
Okay, here, just tap your card against Mickey. Mommy, here.
Alright, you all set? You all set?
Thank you. Thank you. So we had to tap our cards. We are in. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we're in here, and so we're here pretty early. Doesn't look like it's too many people. Yeah. So we'll be able to get in and get done what we're doing. When I do go on vacation, my whole goal is to optimize all of my time. So we flew in early. We left Houston at 5:30, got here at 8:30, got to the hotel resort, changed our clothes for the pool so we can get in here for a couple hours, and then we're gonna go to Rainforest Cafe. Because how often do we go on vacation? So I figure we'll rest when we get home. There's Robert. He's waiting all on his own, as I am not getting in that ski lift. And y'all see the ski lift? I'm not doing that. I did it one time in Mahogany Bay. Mahogany Bay, and I was nervous, but I did it. But you feel like you're gonna fall out of the thing. So I'm hoping that I need to figure out where he comes out.
Can stay full of the seating spring, which will lower automatically. For a safe ride, this will be needed during the trip. Watch your children and do not bounce horses.
Robert, can you ask him where you come out at? Go ahead.
Where do you come out?
So you're gonna come out at the top.
No, in the exit, when he gets off the slide, where's the exit at?
So it's a one-way trip up to the top, and then he'll take any of the slides down, or there's a staircase on the other side of the mountain.
Okay, but it's over here? Like, where does it come? So I can be there. I don't know where to go meet him at.
So I'm not sure. There's a bunch of slides up there, so it depends on which slide he wants to go down.
Okay. Okay, I guess, I don't know how I'm gonna find you.
So if you guys want to...
This is like the Blizzard Beach Mountain. You see that? Isn't that awesome? Can you see? Yeah. Awesome. Robert is up there with those red sneakers hanging. There he is with the red sneakers, mommy. You got a lot. See, they're gonna slide right here. Boop. So there's several different slides. Looks like you come out all over on this side. So let's go over that side. It looks like you come out over there. It's nice. Look at these slides, y'all. Y'all know I'm scared. Oh, there's a man. But Robert is. But Robert's gonna come down one of these, and then he's gonna go back up, and then I'll really know which one he's gonna come down. Cause I'll know the color, cause I'll see the yellow. He has on a bright yellow shirt, so I'll see that. Yeah, I like to put him in bright colors when we go do stuff like that. This so that way he's easy to find. Woo! Look at that person, Lord. They are. Yeah, it's right there. There he is. There he is.
Hello, are you here for me? Yeah. All right.
Woo!
We're using the purple flag for us. The red light's not illuminated.
Look at him, y'all. Oh, he stopped. He stopped. His shoe came off.
Back. We're going to come all the way down.
Oh, Lord, I forgot to take his shoes.
We're going to come all the way down.
That's so scary. I know it was. Come on out.
Here, come on the slide for me.
Yeah, come on, and then go up the steps. I know.
That's so scary. I didn't like that.
I know. I forgot to take his shoes. I should have took his shoes. I don't know what I was thinking. We ain't been in the water park in a while. How was it?
It wasn't that good. It was really high.
I know.
But I didn't do the other one because that one you probably wouldn't want me going on, or you just wouldn't be okay. That one.
I saw that one. I said, how are they dropping out of there like that? Lord. Okay, guys, so we went to Lazy River. I did not take you with me because I know my camera's supposed to be waterproof to so many feet, and it's only 2 feet of water, but you never really know, do you? So I just opted to not bring you. But we did the Lazy River. Robert did the slide, as you saw earlier.
I was really scared.
So we're gonna do the wave pool next, but we need some snacks before lunch, so we're just gonna hurry up and hello.
You have to have your mask on, please.
Oh, Jesus, I don't have it. Okay, we gotta go back. We have to have our mask on when we're up in this area. I did not know, so now I gotta walk back.
Yeah, we gotta walk back. These are masking. That's why you gotta take it off.
Yeah, well, you took it off to be in the water so you don't suffocate. But then you gotta put it back on. I guess that's why they got monitors. So I'm gonna get it, and then we're gonna go and figure out what kind of snacks we're gonna have before lunch. I went back and I got my mask
too, because they need to know that too.
Yeah, and Robert has his mask as well, because you don't know what you don't know. So we're gonna probably gotta get some nachos with some cheese or something. You know they don't have much that I can eat here anyway, because they just kind of have, that kind of burgers, hot dogs, fries kind of thing. So it's gonna be all right. Thank you. Right, thank you. So let's get something to nibble on. Okay, dreamers, I was wrong. They have plant-based options. Did we see that right there? So they do, but we're not really eating here. So what I'm gonna do is just get some nachos with no meat. I think that will work for us. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. Nachos with no meat, and then all of us will eat it. That way we don't get too full before dinner. So we've done another quick turnaround. They got these big bumble, whatever, black, ginormous beetle bees. I don't know what they are, but they scare me. I can't look.
They're a different kind of honeybees, because they're honeybees that came abroad, but they were different.
Yeah.
They didn't look crazy, but you still like the way they look. They still know that.
We're headed to, if we can make our reservation, we're headed to, what is it called?
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe. And after this, I think I'll be able to sit and rest a little bit.
Me too.
Until dinner. Unless you want to go back to the pool here at the resort.
No,
we can do that.
Too.
Okay. So we've been up since like 2 a.m. people. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Well, dreamers, we made it. We're here at Disney Springs. Now, whether or not Rainforest Cafe is going to honor our reservation is a whole different story.
We're Disney Springs. We're right here at Rainforest Cafe, and it's
So we're gonna see what they say, right? Okay, he's not answering me right now. We're here, and it's like just a big outdoor mall, basically. When I came here before, it was nighttime, so I didn't really get to see everything. It just seems a little different this time than it did last time. But, guys, this is Disney Springs. So what I like about it is I don't have to go into Orlando to eat. I can just come here. Actually, Robert's tennis got wet, so we may buy him some more here in this walk-in mall. So that's what I like about it. I really like that there are real options that I would use if I was back home. Now the question is if they actually cost more money. I hope not, because he needs some sneakers, I think, to be walking through the parks until his dry. And there's nothing wrong with 2 pairs of sneakers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta check. Where am I? There she is back there. I'm walking a bit ahead of her because we are like 30 minutes late for our reservation. So I need to see if they're gonna honor us. The Lego Minnie. I mean the Lego Mickey. And then there's a dinosaur in the water over there. But which way we go? That way or this way to get to Rainforest?
Go this way.
Okay, so we're gonna go this way, guys. There are a lot of people here. There are a lot of people.
I feel like these guys are still rodeo.
There's Grandma. I pray they accept our reservations because we are late. And I'm not a late person typically, but there were some things we just had to do. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. See? It's right there.
There's one thing Antonio was going for.
Yes. This is, I think, the first freestanding one that I will have gone to. Last time we were at Disney, with so many people trying to get in there, we weren't able to get in. And we went to the T-Rex place.
Which will be having reservations another day.
Yep. Uh-oh, the alligator's gonna eat us. It's gonna eat us. Oh! It's gonna eat us.
We can take this about some of the animals.
Go over there so I can get you in the video. The alligator's gonna eat Robert. It's gonna eat him. Oh no! You got it?
That's so cool.
Oh, look, he's moving further.
Yeah, he was moving.
Woo! He's gonna eat us. This way. They honored our reservation even though we're late, which is very, very nice because Robert really wanted to eat here.
Yeah, me too, and I can see the robot.
Yes, so very excited. So we're gonna get situated, get seated, and then we'll walk around and do a little tour of Rainforest Cafe Disney stall. They are about to seat us. See, this is the store. More, M-O-O-R.
What's your first name?
Dawn, D-A-W-N.
Sign out right here in 1 moment, okay?
So you see the aquariums that they have, and all that's the bar area. Isn't that wonderful? So they're about to take us to our table. We're walking to our table. You see the aquarium. Aren't they lovely? Just lovely. Just lovely, just lovely. Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. You see the elephant. Oh, look at the butterfly moving. You see the butterfly? Oh, and those gorillas move too. They're pretty still right now. They move. Yeah. Ooh, he just moved. Did y'all catch that? Uh-oh, he just moved. There we are. We found our table.
Thank you.
I guess this is
You guys to check. I need you guys to check it out. Check it out. Look at Robert. Look at Robert.
We're gonna tear this up, but you know it's gonna be so much
Yeah, we're
fun.
gonna tear that bad boy up.
Let's tear it up.
You want to tear it up, Mickey Mouse? Yeah, I will.
What Mickey gonna do?
I will tear it up.
Mickey gonna tear it up?
No, I'm actually gonna eat it.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All of that, all of that. All of that, all of that. I think it's called the volcano or something.
So we're all done with Rainforest Cafe. They got a new line out there. And we just walking around. I love vacation, people. I love being on vacation. Look at that. Sun is shining bright. Yes, it is. My mama, my son, they back there. I just want y'all to know I'm so happy I came to Disney again. I have been wanting to come back, but the first time we came, Robert didn't have as much fun as I wanted him to, so he was thinking about never coming back to Disney. But guess what? We came back. I gave him an option for spring break this year, and he took me up on the offer, and we came back to Disney. So I'm so excited that we actually came back. So this is our first day, guys. So we have many, many more videos to show you. The car boat, people, the car boat. You see the car boat, people? The car boat. I don't know where you go get the car boat, but it's so low in the water. I don't know about getting in there. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Cause it's like in the water, like it's about to sink. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. But we see T-Rex. We're gonna go there for lunch. We ate there the last time, and I love the dinosaur effect at T-Rex.
And they have certain times of shows too where they.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait for T-Rex, y'all. Woo! Oh, and then they got the look. You see the hot air balloon? Nice. Where's Grandma? Yeah, you can't leave Grandma. Oh, Robbie, you can't leave Grandma now. Can't leave Grandma. You can't leave Grandma. We have found our stall. We found our stall. Okay. Hey dreamers, we are at the Terralina Italian, I don't see the name, diner, something like that I think. The Terralina Italian Diner in Disney Springs. So this is our last meal of the day. We're gonna get dessert as well, and then we're gonna head back to the resort, watch a little bit of TV, and go to sleep. Yep. Because we've been up since 2 a.m. So I'm gonna show you whatever this dessert is that we're gonna get, and then we're gonna close it on out and head back to the room, and like I said, get some sleep. We've had a good day today. This is our second time here at Disney Springs. We got confused at the resort and walked the wrong way like 2 or 3 times, so I'm hoping we know the resort a lot better now and than we did originally, but we had a good time even in getting lost. But I'm looking forward to putting that head to the pillow, Okay,
I'm Robert, and I enjoyed my pepperoni pizza, and I'm so excited today, but we've just been up since 2 a.m. and I'm really tired. It's 8 p.m. right now.
Right.
We make it.
Okay guys, I have cannoli and Robert has chocolate cake. I've never eaten cannoli before. I've even worked at an Italian restaurant back home in Baltimore, still no cannoli. But today, I'm eating cannoli because I'm on vacation. So let me show you these desserts. So this is the cannoli. I have 3 whole pieces. I'm probably gonna put one in a little box. I don't know. And then Robert has this chocolate cake. And you see the chocolate cake? Yes, yes, yes. That's Robert. Look at him. Robert over there eating ice. Eating ice.
It's falling on the floor.
So we're gonna dive into our dessert.
Yeah.
And what I want to say to you guys is thanks for hanging out with me today. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you learned a little bit about arriving at Disney and how to do it and how to check in. I don't know, but I just wanted to share our experience with you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, remember to leave me a comment. I'll answer any questions that you may have about Disney. Also, remember, great. So remember that my face is gonna be up here in a circle. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on my face, select the gray bell, select all. That way you'll be subscribed to my channel and you'll be alerted to all the new content I place up here to YouTube. And I'm also gonna place up here my pain, hurt, and trauma series. I do believe I have 3 videos in that series, 3 videos. So I'm gonna place that series up here as well. But I'm gonna add a Disney series too, because I'm gonna be here at Disney for 6 more days. So there's a whole lot of content that you're gonna get while we're here. Have a great day, dreamers.